STO, no SVJ. You got a Rolls Royce Canon from Florida. Got this Ferrari 48, Mustang, beetle car. In the distance is a Ford GT, another Lamborghini, another McLaren. Then you got this brand new Rolls Royce. Look at the wrap on this. Wow. And all these Galaxy GT2 RS. Look at this Ferrari. And this is a Tech Art Porsche. First Tech Art I've ever seen. You're not often seen in Canada. Then just another Porsche 911. This Bentley has done other Gumballs. Ooh, look at the pink on that iridescent wrap on that Aston Martin. Ooh, Miami colors. Look at this McLaren. Another McLaren. Nice right at the back there. Another C8. Surprised there's an SUV in it. But look at the back of this McLaren. 720S, my favorite McLaren Gumball. Wow, look at the exhaust setup on that. Quad exhaust pipes. Wow. Full roll cage inside. Carbon fiber vent on the roof. That option's like 150K. Look at that. Wow. Quad exhaust on the C8. Quad exhaust Lamborghini Huracan. And then over there you got a graffiti wrap on the 6x6 and the Challenger. The wing up on the 911 Turbo S. Look at the wing. And the engine's open. Ooh, the engine's open on this one. I've never seen this Aston Martin. Wow. Beautiful, from England. Oh, this is a beautiful Camaro SS. It's a Hennessy Performance one. Oh, this Ferrari is amazing. Look at the blue on that. Oh, this Rolls Royce was in a previous Gumball. Over there you got an Alpine